देख रहे हैं यूपी टीवी 7।
Hello everyone. Today is 22nd April. The Earth Day reminds me of a famous quote by William Shakespeare. The earth has music for those who listen. Earth Day is celebrated every year on this date since 1970. The main aim of Earth Day is to raise awareness about the negative impact of our actions on our environment and Earth as a whole. It is a day for stern political actions as well as an active civic participation. But with the majority of the globe in lockdown, 2020 will be slightly different. Organizers are asking people to participate online in the first ever Digital Earth Day. Instead of filling parks, stadiums, and the streets, people are being encouraged to use their voice to drive action online rather than in person. People all around the world encouraged to do things to benefit the environment, from recycling and planting trees to reduce our carbon footprints. Through elemental themes on earth, air, water, and fire, the conversations will be framed to make environmental issues urgent, accessible, culturally relevant while focusing on solutions. Earth Day is a worldwide movement started with an objective to spread awareness about environmental protection. There are many environmental issues that we are facing right now, such as air pollution, climate change, global warming, improper disposal, etc. Such issues have not come into picture recently, rather they had started emerging long back. Most of the people were not even aware of such crucial issues. This is the reason that situation has become so drastic and it has affected the environment at an alarming rate. The major role has been played by the awareness that wake up people around the world to think seriously about environmental issues. Now, this is the high time. We all need to work together to protect the environment, to make it a healthier place to live. Even if you are staying home and maintaining social distancing due to COVID-19, still you can be a part of Earth Day 2020. There are some tips that you can follow to participate in the Digital Earth Day 2020 celebration, which goes digital due to the pandemic crisis. This year, the world is going to celebrate Earth Day digitally, as per demand of social distancing needed to break the transmission of the virus. You can host or attend an online program on environmental issues such as plastic pollution, food security, water quality, biodiversity loss, etc. After attending the online program, you can share the knowledge with your family or friends to raise awareness. Become an Earth artist by registering your artwork in support of Earth Day 2020. You can initiate your artwork online to communicate people inspiring for environmental conservation. Art is an amazing way to express our common humanity. This campaign is a platform for global artists to show their talent to raise awareness about climate action. You can work online for the protection of endangered species. You can collect information and do some research on the conservation of endangered species, their habitat, pollination, etc. Based on your research, you can share your ideas online, raising awareness worldwide. Take the initiative to plant a tree. Make a resolution to plant a tree on Earth Day 2020 to resolve the balance of natural treasure that we have damaged. Say yes to recycle. As we all know, the importance of recycling, and Earth Day is the perfect time to teach our new generations about it. We should learn we can recycle common objects like papers, plastics, etc. to save the environment. Mother Earth needs coordination from each one of us more than ever. Although it's not a one-day event, rather the requirement is to take this movement forward for the sake of the environment. Our small contributions can make a big difference, and we will be able to provide a carbon-free atmosphere for our future generations. At last, I would like to conclude with some meaningful lines. When you see litter in streets and the air smells of pollution, when you feel like it's all piling up, remember there is a solution. It does not have to be a lot if each of us just do something. So take some time out every day to show the earth you care. Last but not the least, with a positive note, I wish to share with you all a personal thought. No doubt, people across the globe are in extreme crisis right now, but haven't you all noticed? In the meantime, the earth is healing gradually. It appears to be a lesson. Water bodies are getting crystal clear. Animals are roaming across the streets fearlessly, and the most significant scientific research says that ozone layer depletion is also reducing. It all happened because human activities are at keys due to global pandemic. Don't you think by means of all such incidents, Mother Nature is showing us an awakening reflection of our own activities? Hope you all got the point. Thank you.